Hey everyone, Alex here. Today I'm with Carter Products and I want to demonstrate a proper way to cut a log lengthwise. Now, just trying to hold it is extremely dangerous. It has a chance to roll and move, and you're not going to get exactly accurate cuts. And when you're trying to basically mill out a log to get the most out of it, you want those cuts to be as straight up and down and accurate as possible. So that's why Carter makes the log mill. Now, log mill is about as simple as it gets. It's adjustable to any length up to 23 inches by just simply removing these two bolts. Once we've got it adjusted, then you just tighten the log in with this threaded handle right here. Now, it's also adjustable side to side. By simply loosening these two, you can adjust it side to side accurately. Now, it's not set up perfectly square because there is no log that is perfectly square, so it can be adjusted at an angle as well. This is also great for things like a board that isn't clean or straight or accurate on both sides. How do you get one side flat so you can mill it? Drop it into the log mill, tighten it up, and get that one side flat. Then you can use your fence to finish milling it out. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this around here. We'll take our log, come right around here. Just tighten that right into place. Get it good and solid so that it can't rock or move. Then we'll move this over so that we can take off the bottom, essentially, because we're going to roll that and then get the side taken off. But we'll snug that right into place. Safety first. And as you can see, it makes it very simple to push that log through. Because the blade is running right next to the base, there's no way for it to pull it right into that blade. So very simple to make a nice, accurate, straight cut. Okay. Then all I need to do is loosen this, rotate it one time, then once we have two sides of that log flat, well, now we can set our fence to slab it out. If you wanted to, you could loosen these up and move it over incrementally, but it's much easier to just set your fence once and slab that piece out. Just another great device by Carter Products. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bandsaw Life content.